Hello friends, welcome to Wisdom IQ8. In this video, I'm going to cover the important facts on national anthem and national song. Friends, if you have evaluated the past year papers carefully, then you would have known that examiners love to ask questions on national thing. Okay, whether it be national anthem, national song, national animal, national fruit, national bird, anything. Okay, they love these questions, and these questions are so important from the exam point of view that at least you'll find that in the exam you'll find at least one question coming from this section. Okay, that's why I've covered in this video the two most important thing, that is the national anthem and national song, and all the facts relevant from the exam point of view. And in my coming videos I will cover the important facts on national fruit, national animal, national bird, etc. Okay, so let us start. Our first as everyone knows that our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. But do you know when it was first composed? So it was first composed in the year 1911, and it was composed by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, now guys, our national anthem was first sung in the year 1911, as I've told you now. But the day and the month is very important. Okay, so the day was 27th of December. Okay, so 27th of December in the year 1911, our national anthem was first sung at the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress. Okay, Calcutta session. Friends, you will be surprised to know that though our national anthem was first sung in the year 1911, but it wasn't adapted by our constitution till 1950. It was on 24th January 1950 that our constituent assembly first adapted the national anthem Jana Gana Mana. Okay, so this year 1950 is very important. Even in the same year, national song was also adapted. Okay, the date was 24th January. So national song and national anthem both were adopted in the same day of the same year. See, if you'll see the chart, there is one of the facts hidden. Okay, see, the national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana, composed originally in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so in the year 1911, as I've told you, Jana Gana Mana was composed, but during that time, Rabindranath Tagore has composed it in Bengali language. Okay, it wasn't composed in English; it was composed in Bengali language by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly on 24 January 1950, and in the year 1950, it was converted to Hindi. Okay, by the Constituent Assembly. Now, English translation of Jana Gana Mana was rendered by Tagore himself in 1919 under the title Morning Song of India. Okay, see, so what have we learned is that our national anthem was first composed by Rabindranath Tagore in the year 1911, but it was converted into English by Rabindranath Tagore himself in the year 1919, and the title which was given was Morning Song of India. Okay, so come India sing, like these were the some tags, some important things. Okay, now friends, if you'll sing the full version of national anthem, just don't try now, but if you will sing the national anthem completely, you will see that it takes approximately 52 seconds to complete the full version of national anthem. Okay, however, the shorter version, if you'll read it quickly, or you'll try to read it quickly in a shorter span of time, then the shorter version will take 20 seconds and the full version will take 52 seconds. Now, the facts upon national song. See, our national song is Vande Matram. Okay, Vande Matram, and it was composed by Bankim Chandra. Theek, okay, it was composed by Bankim Chandra, and it was taken from the book called Anand Mat, and it was first sung in 1896, Indian National Congress. as I've told you that national anthem and national song both were adopted on the same day, which was 24th January 1950 by the Constituent Assembly of India. Now, see, the English translation of national song was not done by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, it was done by Sir Aurobindo. Sir Aurobindo, he is the man who has done the English translation of national song. But the national, in case of national anthem, its English translation as well as its original version that was in Bengali language, both were done by Rabindranath Tagore. Now, national song was taken from Bankim Chandra's novel Anand Math. As I've told you, like Anand Math was the novel. Anand Math was the novel from which national song was taken, and it was published. Anand Math was published in 1882, and national song was first sung in the year 1896 at the Indian National Congress. Now, as I've told you, it was first sung in 1896 session of the Indian National Congress. So guys, these were the important facts upon national anthem and national song. There are many other important facts also, but you just don't have to study anything apart from this, because all these examinations, all these competitive examinations are basically objective types. Okay, and these are the only things that they ask again and again in every exam. So just don't read anything related to this topic. These things are more than enough. Okay, thank you friends for watching my video, and please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel Wisdom IQ 8 for latest updates. Thank you, thanks a lot.